Do you feel lost today, even when everything seems fine? Do you feel a heaviness in your heart that no one can see? I want you to pause for a moment. Listen. This message is not from me. It is from Allah, and He is speaking directly to your heart. He knows your silence. He knows the nights when tears fall in secret, and the mornings when you force a smile. He knows your struggles, your doubts, and your fears. You are never alone. He is closer than your next breath. Life has a way of making us forget. We rush through days chasing things that leave our hearts empty. We seek happiness in others, in possessions, in fleeting moments, but we forget the one who created us, the one who knows us better than we know ourselves. Allah is telling you today, you are seen. Every struggle you face is not meaningless. Every moment of pain carries a lesson, a hidden mercy. Even when it feels like the world has turned away, He has not. Do you feel your heart breaking under the weight of expectations? Allah is reminding you that perfection is not His demand. He does not ask for endless strength. He asks for sincerity. A simple prayer from a tired heart can move mountains. A quiet sigh, a whispered name, a tear shed in private, these are not unnoticed. He hears them all. Your heart matters. Your effort matters. You are enough, even when you feel like you are failing. When anxiety floods your mind and doubt clouds your vision, He wants you to trust Him. Trust does not come from seeing the whole path. It comes from knowing that He holds the path in His hands. Every closed door, every delay, every moment of waiting has purpose. He is shaping you in ways you cannot yet see. And one day, when you look back, you will understand why nothing was wasted. Do you feel small in this vast world? Allah is whispering, I am with you. You do not need to carry your burdens alone. Your heart is my home. Return to me. Speak to me. Sit in silence with me. Let me ease the weight you carry. You do not need to have all the answers, and you do not need to fix everything at once. Step by step, heart by heart, I am guiding you. Forgive yourself for mistakes. Forget the past that haunts you. He has already forgiven you, even if you have not forgiven yourself. Let go of guilt. Let go of shame. Open your heart to hope, to mercy, to a new beginning. Every day is an opportunity to start fresh. Every sunrise is a reminder that His mercy renews endlessly. And when you feel joy, small or great, remember to be grateful. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into blessings. Allah is not just in the storms of your life. He is in the calm, the laughter, the quiet moments you often overlook. Feel Him there. Acknowledge Him there. Let your heart fill with love and recognition for the life you have been given. This message is simple, but it carries power. Allah loves you. Truly, deeply, without condition. Your mistakes, your fears, your doubts do not push Him away. They draw you closer when you turn to Him. Your heart is His, and He is patiently waiting for your return, waiting to fill it with peace, hope, and light. So today, listen to your heart. Take a moment to breathe. Say His name. Feel His presence. Trust that the healer of all hearts is holding yours. And remember, no matter how heavy your burdens feel, no matter how lost or broken you think you are never beyond His mercy. You are never beyond His love. If this message touched your heart, let it reach someone else. Share it. Like it. Subscribe for more reminders that feed the soul. Let the heart of someone else hear what yours just heard. Let Allah's words touch another life.